Today I'll be sharing a nail art haul from Daily Charme, some great new products in here, new releases. And also I'm due to do my nails, so I'm going to be doing my nails with these products. So if you're interested in seeing the haul and me actually doing my nails, then just keep watching. Okay, let's take a look. So, of course, they always send a thank you card, and it says, let your nails bloom spring with silk cat eye charm gel and floral foils. Isn't that pretty? And then first I'll share, I've got some beautiful stickers. These ones are more pink and champagne chrome, I guess that is, more than a gold one. Really pretty. I like the mix of the different kinds of flowers in this one. And for doing stickers, I've shared the last 2 or 3 videos my hack on applying stickers. So this is the foil transfer gel I used for that hack. If you want to see the last video I did with the hack, it's in the top right hand corner. It'll explain what you do to get the nicest transfer of your stickers, and then it doesn't look like a sticker when it gets covered up. So watch that if you're interested in that. But so I got the foil transfer gel because I'm almost out. I use it so much for stickers, and of course it's the perfect transfer gel for foil, of course, too. So 2-in-1 almost, right? So I moved the box aside because now I want to share some of the new gel polishes that just came out with you, and I think all of them are pretty new releases. A couple might be a little newer than some, but they're all pretty new in general. So I'll start with, okay, so this one is not a new release. I wanted another yellow and I don't have this one. It's called Lemonade and it's 603. I might be using it on my nails today, I'm not sure, but here is the yellow. Isn't that pretty? I'll just grab a swatch stick and we'll swatch it quick. I'm probably just gonna need one coat. Yes, it's just a really nice yellow and it's gonna cover really nice the first coat. It's hard finding really good yellows, and this one's nice for summer nails. So there it is, very pretty. And I have a pink to share with you. This one's pretty new. It might not be their newest release, but it wasn't released too long ago. And this one is N23 Main Character Pink. These are the pastel neon gel polishes I shared. I have another video where I shared one of their other ones in this collection and it was so pretty. So if you want to check that one out, I think I even did my nails with the polish and used other new polishes as well in that video. But let's look at this one. So N23, you can tell it's going to be a beautiful pink. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So nice. You can never have too many pinks and different shades of pink. So let's just swatch that quick. There's one coat. Such a nice pink. So I'll do the second coat. It covered pretty nice with the first one. So there's 2 coats. I love the pink. So they just came out with these not long ago, and this one is E31 Mermaid Kiss. It's a Chameleon cat eye gel polish. So let's swatch this one and I'll grab a magnet when I do the second coat. Looks really nice. So that's the first coat of that one. Definitely Looks more purple right now. So let's cure it and then we'll find out what it looks like with the magnet. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. Good if I just keep it at the side there. Pink and then purple. Okay, so I'm just gonna move it through it more now so you can see. Oh, that is just really pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Hopefully you guys can see that. These are really nice. If I move it through like that. So pretty, right? That is beautiful. So one more polish and then we can start doing my nails. This one is from the same collection. It is E33 Simply Divine. Again, it is a Chameleon cat's eye polish. Let's see what this one looks like. So again, one coat and then I will use the magnet on the second coat. Before you use the magnet, really nice. Okay, let's see what this one's like. And then with a magnet. Oh, that one's pretty too. Look at how it pulls blue with the particles, the magnetic particles. Do you see it there? Purple and then blue. So if I put it right at the side, you can really see it on the side. That is so pretty. Look at that, it's beautiful. And then we're just gonna move it around a bit. Over here. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. I love these. I've never seen ones like this before, and I absolutely love them. Look at that. That is beautiful, right? So yeah, that's that one. I don't know what I'm going to do on my nails today. They're all so beautiful. I'm going to have to think about it. And then if you're interested in seeing what I do, just stick around and I'll be starting my nails, the art on them. I'm going to do the fill off camera and then we'll be using some of these beautiful products on them. I apologize if my sound sounds different in this part of the video. I was having troubles with my mic, but I have a new one now, so it's much better. So I'm starting my nails. I decided on the really beautiful purple and pink, the Mermaid Kiss Cat's Eye Polish from the haul. And I'm going to do 2 coats of it. On the second coat, I will be using a magnet, but it is just the most beautiful chameleon cat's eye polish I think I've ever seen. I love the other one in this haul as well. It was a hard pick, but I thought, I love pink. We'll do the pink one this time. So I'll just grab the magnet now. And when I first started, I wasn't even sure how I was going to have the cat's eye polish look when I had it finished. So I was just kind of playing with it here. I just really wanted to pull a little bit more of the pink because it's so pretty with the purple. And then I decided to keep it more to this one side. And I do that, I think, on this nail as well. And the other one that I do in this gel polish. So again, one coat. You'll see me applying it real quick to this finger, and then I will be doing the thumb with it, and then I'll do that second coat and be grabbing the magnet. So now doing the second coat, and again the same thing, and I'll do the magnet or move the magnetic particles to the one side more when I use the magnet. And I didn't have any music in between working on these nails. What do you like better? Please, please let me know, because I'll add music if you prefer to hear some music in between, or if you like the silence that is in this video, let me know so I know what to do for my upcoming videos. I really want to do what you guys like the best, so comment in the comments, please. How pretty is that? So that goes in for 30 seconds. Now I'll just do the thumb, and you can watch me do that one as well. And then I'll show you what I'm using on these nails next once I get this thumb done. So before I move on to the next product, I just want to let you know, as always, I have the links down in the description of this video, and I will also have my 10% off coupon code from Daily Charme. It's up on the screen. You can use that to get 10% off this order or any order in the future. You can use that coupon code over and over. So it will be down there as well. So the other two nails, I decided I love the pink, of course, and it's going to pair really nicely. So the main character pink is the one from the haul that I will be using. And like, look at how beautiful that pink is. So, so pretty. So I will do 2 coats on the 2 nails that I have left. So I'll just let you watch me do that. And then I'll show you what art I'll be doing on them. So that'll cure for 30 seconds. Now I'll do the second coat on both of them. I thought I'd let you know in this video too, I am taking holidays, and you're not going to hear from me for a few weeks. Once I do, it's going to be a great holiday for us to get away. So a little bit longer of a holiday for us this year we're taking. So if you don't hear from me on Instagram or Facebook or on here, it's not because I'm not producing content. It's because I am going to enjoy a holiday away. So just so you know, for the future, if you wonder where I am, I have shared a nail sticker hack in a few of my previous videos, and I've used the nail transfer foil gel from Daily Charme to do that. And what this hack is you do your color, you put the foil gel over the nail, you cure it for 30 seconds, you let it cool off once it comes out of the light, and you take your stickers, which I'll be applying now, and you push them down. And what this does, the foil transfer gel, it gets rid of the edges of the sticker. So when you go to cover it up, you know, if you've ever applied stickers, sometimes you can see the edge of the sticker, the plasticky clear part. Well, this gets rid of that altogether. So you have a seamless, like beautiful sticker that doesn't have edges to it when you use the foil transfer gel. So if you've never used it, make sure you try it out because it works really well. And oh, also, When you use the foil transfer gel, just make sure you buff the edges of your nail, because I find if you don't, you could get a little chipping with the foil transfer gel. But if you file the edges and then your top coat has something to grab hold of. So I'm done applying the stickers. They look really cute on there. So I'm taking Daily Charme has a HEMA-free no wipe top coat. It is HEMA-free, so that's nice. So I'm applying it to all of the nails. So I do go over the sticker nails twice just to make sure that they're covered good. The other nails I just do once. And you can see even with the Diamond Shine top coat, if I want to add a little bit, say I'm looking for the light above in my nail and there's a little indent, then I can add a little bit extra. That's the nice thing about the Diamond Shine top coat. It is not too thin, so you can do that. And then I cure it for 60 seconds. I'll flash cure it, of course, first before I cure it for the full 60, because I'm going to do each nail. And then when they're all done, I will cure it for the full time. So I will let you watch me just do this one, and then I'm going to show you the finished nails. They turn out so pretty. So here's the hand I was working on done. I love that Chameleon cat's eye polish with the pink. What do you guys think? And then I did both hands, of course, because I really like these polishes. I'm going to wear these for a few weeks. I want to thank Daily Charm once again for sending me the haul to share with you. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.